Hello students, and to all good people out there. This video is not for those of you who are cruel at heart. It's for those of you who actually have a heart. This is what I saw today on TikTok that got me crying. I find it really hard to watch animals who are suffering. They don't want to die. They just want to live their lives. They are terrified of us. And we brutalize them here on this planet. For nothing more than taste pleasure. They try so hard to escape. They're begging you for their lives. I know it's not you directly who's hurting them, but you are paying somebody to do it for you. If you saw people treating cats and dogs like this, most of you would be in complete shock and angry and sad. I'm hoping that if you actually see what goes on, it will help to change you to be a kinder person and to choose compassion instead of cruelty. I know many of you don't really know what's going on, and you've just been given animal products to eat ever since you were little. And so you didn't know better. But the vast majority of you never wanted to hurt animals. Even if you don't love them. You don't have to love them. You just have to be a decent human being. You just have to not want to hurt them for no reason. There are many people who became vegan even before they knew that it was actually healthy. They just did it because they didn't want to be part of this cycle of violence. But now we know that you can be 100% healthy as a vegan. No matter what age you are. When you think about it, you were actually born vegan. Because your mother's milk was meant for you. It's not stolen from another species. That must hurt so much. Can you imagine being so scared that you're gonna jump off a truck like that? Poor sweetheart probably had some broken ribs. And this one doesn't want to die, doesn't want to be killed. You can be one less person hurting animals. And when you become a vegan animal rights activist, you can help others. And I know that many of you in the comment section will say that you love it when I cry. And that's okay. I don't care about you guys. I just honestly think that there's no shame in crying when we see sadness, and I think it is a human thing to do, and I think it's totally fine. So, to those of you who are animal rights activists, if you don't know what else to do, you don't know how to help the animals, just do what I'm doing. Just pick up your camera and show what happens and speak from your heart. That's where you could start. It takes 100 clicks to become vegan. For some of you, seeing every animal here will be one click. This little sheep and this poor little guy doesn't want to be burned to death. And this one desperately trying to turn around, like, I don't want to go and be killed down that aisle. They're trying to turn around. So please, if you don't know what to do, just go right after this video and write a comment below. It says, Miss KADIE, I want to be vegan from now on. Just tell me and I will help you. Thank you.